my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an invisible folder on your Windows 10. Very easy, nothing complicated, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Please keep watching. To create an invisible folder on Windows 10, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on desktop, then select new, then folder, and then we're gonna click on start, then type CHAR and click on character map. Then we're gonna click on that. See that tilde sign over here? Right beside that there's an empty box. Click on that. Select, copy, and I'm going to rename that folder. Rename, and I'm just gonna paste it there. Rename, paste, Control V. Click enter. Now you can folder, okay? To do that, we're gonna right click on desktop and sort by name. Once you sort by name, see all the files and folders like piled up, lined up together. But if you look carefully, see there's an empty spot over here, right here. This is where my invisible folder is. Just double click on it. See, this folder is empty. So this is how you create an invisible folder on Windows 10. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please subscribe my channel and like. Thanks for watching.